Well, your stocks, your crypto, if you've got it, and the value of your gold and silver has all dropped overnight. I saw this happening late yesterday, watching the crypto markets, and of course, it's here today in stocks and the metals. Let's briefly talk about what's going on, at least what they're telling us what's going on, coming right up. Good morning, everybody. It is a little past 8. We are looking at the live gold price, $2,385.40 on the ask. A $1 spread between the bid and the ask here on gold. So gold down nearly 2.5%. I watched this begin yesterday in the crypto market, saw the value of Bitcoin drop from around 60,000, now down to about 55,000 before I went to sleep. Woke up about 2 hours ago and saw the price was around 51,000. Metals were doing okay, but they did drop off a few hours back. Now, let's look at silver. And I'm telling you guys, this is one of those moments where it's probably not a dip. This is probably the beginning of a new correction leading into recession, and we'll talk about that. So silver, the ask down to $26.82, 10-cent spread. Between the bid and the ask price, looks like there is a little bit of recovery underway from the low. That did get us down closer to $26.50 earlier this morning. Let's take a look at the S&P 500, which will give us, oh yeah, look at this. So we're looking at the 1 hour chart on the S&P 500. So this is taking us back to the beginning of 2024, right about here. You can see very solid gains, a little pullback in April, followed by another good run, and then this big drop off happening right now. This is with SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. Over to, let's refresh, Yahoo Finance. Stock sell-off set to cascade. Dow futures lost about 800 points, and the NASDAQ futures plunged over 4% as concerns mounted over the U.S. economy. Okay, so what's going on here? Well, I'm going to summarize without having to read anything from an article and just tell you that it appears that the economy is on its way into recession and that the Fed did not do what the Fed needed to do in order to prevent recession from taking place. So here we go. The major equities are selling off. It started in tech a couple of weeks ago. That moved into the crypto markets after a brief recovery in the Bitcoin price. And now we're seeing it in silver down back into the $26 range. It's been a minute since silver's been at $26. We've seen action between 28 and 32 for the last couple of months. So my thoughts, probably not a buy the dip opportunity. Maybe if you're looking to make a bigger purchase today, might be a good day to snipe something before the premiums get raised. But you can expect that the major online bullion dealers are going to raise their premiums in response to the sell-off that'll probably take place at the local coin shop level as well, as dealers look to protect themselves from the pretty rapid drop in value of gold, silver, platinum, as well as their equities. So the 10-year bonds are getting, 10-year treasury yields are getting crushed. We'll see what happens with fixed income. I'll do a little poking around on that today. But if I were you guys, I would be paying attention to your accounts. This could be a deeper correction once the market opens, or this could be the bottom. Really don't know what's going to happen, but it feels like this is not a buy the dip. This is the beginning of a probably couple days, if not a period of selling, stocks, bonds, crypto, and probably a lot of gold and silver too. So those are my thoughts. Be careful out there. Pay attention to the market. Make sure you're positioning yourself defensively. And I'll talk to you guys again soon.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel.